What if one day you woke up and realized that you never have to work again?
Sorry about that, guys. That was my horrible attempt at a skit. But what if one day you can wake up and realize you never have to work? That's my goal. Now, if you're asking why am I sleeping on the couch, well, my wife said, you're spending all of our money on stupid cameras and lights and doing this whole YouTube thing, investing money that you're never going to be good in. Just kidding, guys. No, she's actually in the room trying to put our daughter to sleep, so I didn't want to bug her and be like, hey, I need to use the bed for a video. So, with that said, let's get into the video, guys.
Get that.
Hey, how's it going, everyone? Thanks for taking time out of your day-to-day to watch my video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the top reasons why I invest. So reason number one, and for this one I have to go a little bit more into my background. My family comes from different places. My dad is from Cuba. My mom's family comes from Mexico. So both the sides of the family grew up in poverty. My father's side, he came to America, he worked a lot, and now he currently is on SSI, making around $500 a month. My mother, on the other hand, her family comes from Mexico. She worked all her life, and now she also is on SSI, making around $500 a month. For me, I don't want that for myself, so that's the reason I invest into my portfolio. I don't want to work all my life and end up only making around $700 in SSI. I want to have enough to where I'm currently making what I make now at my 9-to-5 job. And that would be great for me because that's currently what I'm living on. If I can make that before I retire, would be amazing to get my foot into other things. So that's reason number one to why I invest. So reason number two of why I invest is so that I can wake up one day, open my Robinhood account, and realize that I no longer have to work. That's my dream, and my job isn't bad at all. I work with friends and it's a great work environment. But I do have kids and I would love to spend more time with them because my current job keeps me from 6 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So by the time I get home, I don't have time to spend with my wife and kids. I have about 3 to 4 hours before my kids have to go to sleep and I also have to go to sleep. So it'd be great for me to one day just realize I don't have to work anymore and retire early. So with that said, that brings me to number three, which is spend more time with my wife and kids. I would love to have all day to spend with my wife and kids because I don't get to do it now. Saturdays and Sundays on my day off, I realize how much my kids love to spend time with me, and I would like that to continue for as long as possible. So when I finally do get to retire, it would be amazing to spend time with my family. That brings me to number four, which is to like, comment, and subscribe. Just kidding, guys. Number four is to make this YouTube channel. So it would help me tremendously if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe to help the YouTube algorithm push my videos out. But number four is so that I can grow this channel. In my videos, I don't suggest you do any of the same things that I do. I suggest you go do your own due diligence, find the companies that you like to invest in. But in my videos, I show my current progress of what I am doing. I like to invest in these monthly dividend stocks. They're extremely volatile, but they pay good dividends. I don't suggest you follow what I do, but I like to make these YouTube videos. YouTube is something that I've wanted to get into for a while. I've tried it with my car videos. I've tried it with my wife. But I feel personally that doing this financial YouTube would help tremendously. If I can help one person get into the market and start investing for their future, I would feel accomplished. So that's the reason that I myself invest and I do this YouTube. It's not to try to get money off of YouTube, but that would really help me out a lot. But it's to inspire somebody to get into the stock market. So number five of why I invest is to leave my investments for my kids. When I was growing up, I was really bad at spending my money and not investing a penny into it or saving anything. And that's not what I want for my kids. I'm trying to teach them young of how to save money, how to invest their money. Because if I were to have started investing when I was 18, I've always made good money wherever I work. So I would have been so far ahead of where I'm at now. But that's what I want, is for my kids to grow up knowing how to invest and where to put their money and how to do it. I want to leave my portfolio with my kids when I'm long gone so that they have like building blocks to step on, or if they're already investing, so they have more into their investment. So I started investing when I was 24. That was just a few months ago. I'm going to be 25 tomorrow, so I just want my kids to have that extra 6 years that I didn't really put my money into to invest so that they can have an early retirement, spend their time at home with their kids. That is one of my biggest goals. So, number 6, yeah, 6, is to get my foot into real estate. That's something my dad's dreamed about since he came to America, and he kind of pushed that dream onto me. So one day when my portfolio is the size to where I'm getting dividend payments to make what I currently make at my job, then I can step into the real estate market and buy my first house. My parents didn't buy their first house until a couple years ago, and that's not really where I want to be, like in my 50s and buying my first house. I'd like to have my first house by the time I'm 30. That way I can start buying other houses and renting them out. That's been my dream since I was little because he pushed it on me so much and made me realize how much money you can make in real estate. So that's how my investing is going to go into my real estate investing, is if I can currently make what I'm making now at my day job in my portfolio, then I can slowly start to put my footing to real estate. Number 6.5 is for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Just kidding, guys. Number 7 is to get my credit score right. Now, how am I going to do this with dividend investing? Well, if I'm currently making a little bit extra monthly to put aside and pay off the debt that I owe, would be great. I got into really bad debt when I was 18, ruined my credit. So now that I'm about to be 25, I want to start helping my credit so that one day I can get into the real estate market and be able to finance a house, buy a house for me and my family. So that's one of the reasons I invest, is to help me get my credit better. Number 8 is so that one day when I retire, me and my wife and kids can go travel. I've always wanted to see Egypt. I just want to travel the world because anywhere is better than here. I currently live in Oklahoma, land of the nothing. So getting out and being able to see the world a little more would really be great. I've been a few places, Florida, New York. I've been to Minnesota, places like that, but I really want to leave the country. I want to go see Egypt. I want to go see the pyramids in Mexico. I want to go just see the world. Reason number 9 to why I invest is to make this video 10 minutes long so that one day I can monetize this channel. Just kidding, guys. The 9th reason why I invest is to help my family. So I've been in situations to where my family needs money or they need help and I can't give it to them because I myself am not financially free. So it would really be great if one day I'm financially free and I can help my family when they're in need. That would be a dream come true for me. Family comes before anything to me personally. So being able to help my family when they need it the most would really be an amazing feeling for me. And that brings me to number 10 of why I invest. And that is to be financially free. That's my number 1 goal, is to be financially free, to be able to spend time with my family, enjoying life, and just not worrying about finances. So until next time, if you guys liked my video, please leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, have a good one, guys. So, one more thing before I go. If you guys like this style of videos that I'm doing where I'm showing myself on camera more, let me know in the comments if you like this style or if you like the style where I just screen record and show you guys what's going on there. I went out and I bought me like a circle ring light for my videos and a camera and everything like that. But I can go back to my old way of doing videos if you guys prefer that better. Just let me know in the comments. And if you guys want to follow me more in depth and see what my portfolio is doing, follow my Instagram. It's Franciscos_finance. I usually post daily updates about how my portfolio is going. I'll post a motivational quote every now and then. I'll also post when I buy into a stock and what stock it is and how many shares I bought into that stock. So if you guys want to follow me there, my Instagram is Francisco_finance. You can follow me there, see what I'm doing, all that good stuff. If you guys liked the song at the beginning of my video on that horrible skit, that's actually my sister and her boyfriend singing. So I'll leave a link to that in the description, or you guys can go into YouTube and type in Red Eagle. The song is called I Believe. So if you guys like that, go check her out. She's an amazing singer, so is her boyfriend. But until then, see you guys next time.
Care to get that.